So today I'll be showing you how you can use two WhatsApp accounts concurrently on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So I'll show you two ways of doing this. So the two different ways you can do this on your Galaxy S25. Now the first method is using the same WhatsApp application. Now it's 2025 and late last year, WhatsApp added a feature to their app that allows you to add more than one account. So everybody has at least one account on WhatsApp, okay? But on the same app, you can actually add another account. So let's go ahead and do that. So tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select settings. Under settings, tap on account, and then you should see the option to add account. Okay, so you can see it right there. Let's tap on that. This is the account we already have. Let's tap on add account, and it's going to take us through the motions of adding another account. So I'm just going to enter the other account details. I'm going to put in the number like that, and then I'll tap on next. Now keep in mind that you have to have access to this phone number as well, because you're going to have to do a verification. Now luckily I have a dual SIM Galaxy S25 with two SIM cards active, and I'm going to be using the other SIM card for this. So just tap on next. Let's do the verification. So it's currently attempting to verify this phone number. And now it's verified. And there you go. So I have my second account. I'm just going to call this, let me call it this, just to differentiate from the other one. And I'll even put in a different profile picture. Let's go to the gallery and find a profile picture. Let's put in this one. There you go. So I'll tap on next. Then I'll go through the normal setup process and options. And that's it. I have now added another account, as you can see. So now on the same WhatsApp application, you can now go to the top right corner, tap on the three dot button, and then now you'll see the option to switch accounts. So you can just tap on that, and it's gonna switch you to the other account. Okay, and then if you want to switch back to the other one, you just tap on that and it switches you back to the other one. That's for when you want to read messages. But of course, the two WhatsApp accounts are active at the same time, and you'll get notifications on either app, no matter which one is currently active. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Okay, now the other way is to clone the WhatsApp application. So I'm just gonna get rid of this app here first. Actually, I won't even get rid of it. So the other way you can do this is to clone the WhatsApp application. Okay, so if you go into settings on your Galaxy S25 and scroll down to advanced features and tap on that, if you scroll down, you should see the option called dual messenger. So this is a feature on Samsung phones that allows you to clone messaging applications. Okay, so if you go into dual messenger, you can see you can actually go ahead and clone any messenger application. So Telegram, the messenger, you have Facebook. So go to WhatsApp and turn on the clone, and it's going to ask you to install. It's going to be a disclaimer, just confirm. And then if you want to use a separate contact list, you can enable that. But for me, I just want to use the same contact list, and tap OK. Now, once you've set it up, once you enable that, that means if you go to the app screen, you will see a second WhatsApp icon. Here we are. So we have the original WhatsApp icon, the one that I've already set up two accounts. But if you go here, you can see we have another one. And if you tap on it, it lets you set up a whole new WhatsApp account. So you can set up with your other phone number. So that is basically how you can set up two WhatsApp accounts and run them concurrently on your Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Those are two methods. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.